7 cameras, 1 ultimate mission: to capture the full story from the impossible angle to the intimate detail. For every adventure, you need a different lens. This is the ultimate 7 camera kit, and here's why we need every single one. For the epic establishing shot and social media gold, the Mini 4 Pro is pure cinematic automation. Shoot first, frame later. The 360 cam is impossible to use wrong. No case needed. The Action 5 laughs at water, giving us those impossible slow-motion pool shots. This is the ultimate quick-draw camera. Pop the screen, and the gimbal gets the buttery smooth shot every time. When you need the absolute best image quality for a controlled shot, you bring in the iPhone and the Mobile 7P. The Nano is the hidden gem. It captures the small human perspective that ties the story together. Even cameras mean nothing without clean sound. The Mic 2 and Mic Mini safety track and 32-bit float internal recording make audio stress obsolete. Which camera are you adding to your kit?